Triple integrals. Integrals of this form are called triple integrals. Let us consider an example. Evaluate this integral. Integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1, x square plus y square plus z square dz dy dx. To evaluate this integral, first we will integrate the inner integral, that is integral 0 to 1 x square plus y square plus z square dz. That is, we integrate with respect to z. When integrating with respect to z, we will treat x and y as constants and then integrate. Then we apply the limits of integration. For z varies from 0 to 1. After that, we will integrate the second integral, integral 0 to 1, this dy, and then finally the third integral. That is the procedure. Let us try to evaluate this integral. When we consider x squared plus y squared plus z square, integrating with respect to z, we treat x and y as constants. So x square, integral of x square becomes x square z. Integral of y square is y squared z plus z, integral of z square is z cube by 3, varies between 0 and 1. So this is x squared into z plus y squared into z plus z cube by 3, varies between z varies between 0 and 1. So applying the limits of integration, limits for z, we have x squared into 1 minus 0 plus y squared into 1 minus 0 plus 1 by 3. So that is integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1, x squared into 1 plus y squared into 1 plus 1 by 3 dy dx. Now we integrate the inner integral again with respect to y. Integrating, we get x is treated as a constant and therefore x squared into y. With respect to y, after integrating, we get x squared into y plus y cube by 3 plus 1 by 3 into y, varies between the limits 0 and 1. That is x squared y plus y cube by 3 plus 1 by 3 into y, y varies between 0 and 1. Giving the values for the limits, we have x squared into 1 minus 0 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1. So it is integral x squared plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which becomes 2 by 3. So x squared plus 2 by 3 dx. Then we integrate with respect to x, we get x cube by 3 plus 2 by 3 into x, x varies between 0 and 1. Therefore, this is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 and the result is 1. That is the method to integrate triple integrals. Here note that all the limits of integration, these three are constant limits of integration, and here also constant limits of integration. If it is variables, then also we can do the same procedure. Okay, let us consider some problems for homework. First number, now we evaluated this problem number 7. To these problems 9, 10 and 11. In this problem we have all these limits are constant limits of integration. Here also it is constant. In that 11 also constant limits of integration. Here also it is constant limits of integration. So do this first integral, then do the same procedure. Coming to problem number 10, we have lower limit is 0 for all these integrals, so it is constant limits, but upper integrals, for this integral, integral 0 to 3 minus 3x minus y, we have to evaluate this integral first. So z varies from 0 to 3 minus 3x minus y, so treat z as a constant, integrate dz, then we get z, apply the limits, we get 3 minus 3x minus y after the first integral. There will not be z, but y and x will be there. And you try to solve these three problems.